Hi guys, this is Gian Roberts. Welcome back to day number 14 of this video series. If you are just starting out on this video is step-by-step training on how to go from zero to $1 million in a year or $7,500 a week. Your choice, whichever one makes you feel good inside. But this is based on real experience from my mentors and my trainers. So this is built on a real strategy that's really making $1 million plus per year. And it's based on a brand around you. So if you're building a brand around yourself, you're going to have a consistent authority in a certain market. And so when you have consistent authority in a market, you're going to have consistent traffic. And you have consistent traffic, people will pay you for that traffic and give you affiliate commission. So that's what the whole plan is in a nutshell. And so what we've done so far is from day one, we signed up for this simple affiliate program. The nice thing about this affiliate program is everything's done for you. You don't have to worry about it. All you do is copy and paste the link, and I'll show you how to mask those links and stuff like that. But other than that, it's very simple. You just create these videos, you create your masking link, so this is phase one. We do short form videos, then longer form videos, and then we're going to build into a blog in phase two. We're still doing phase one, so phase one is right here. And the nice thing about this thing right here is it pays $200 commissions if you sign up for the annual plan, and you can actually get more commissions if you sign up for the traffic packages here. But don't sign up for the traffic packages unless you have an extra $1,000 or so to put into a traffic package, and can't guarantee that it's going to convert into profits for you, but so there is a risk of losing money when you invest in traffic packages. So we show you free methods of generating traffic at first, because I don't want you to lose money, and definitely don't want to spend money that you don't have. So if you are in the position, sign up for the traffic package. I'm logged out. Sign up for the traffic package here and go with the gold package. If it converts at 1%, let's say, that's 5 to 10 sales of $200 to $500 in commissions, depending on what they sign up for. The minimum of 200. So 200 times 5, it's pretty good money. It makes your money back here, but 10 sales would be a profit of $1,000. So it's up to you. But that's one thing that program has that I really like about it. The other thing is we're building up our own traffic sources using YouTube and Google. And we're building a skill in the first week, building a skill on how to do video content. Now, the overall goal is to sell $1,000 worth of product or service every 3 days or so. That will put us on track to make $1 million a year. So when we do that, this could be one or more products. So obviously, if you want to add other digital products or services, that's going to allow you to sell $1,000 worth of product in 3 days, then you can do that as well. So definitely encourage that. So really, we're in phase one right now. We're talking about creating videos. We've gone over our daily checklist, which is sending out the emails, right, every day, creating these short form videos, 30-second videos based on our audience, creating the hook, the frame, and the call to action in each video, and then putting those on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. Just putting those on those platforms. And then once, twice a week, we're creating longer form videos based on our keyword research, which is nothing more than going and signing up for Video IQ typing in keywords that we're interested in, and again, adding the words best or how to the beginning of our keyword, and then seeing what it comes up with here, right? The best AI copywriting software tools, low competition, but high search volume. That's what we're looking for. And so right here's a good topic to do a video about. All right. So not only are we going to do videos, but in day 20, we're going to build our own blog based around our own name. So our own brand. So, or variation of our name. And then we're going to build blog content, best, the best AI copywriting tools, or how to use a copywriting tool, or whatever, right? And then based on our keyword research, and then we're going to do social media outreach to reach out to other website owners and see if we can't get backlinks from them, either by doing guest posting or other forms of backlinking. And then over the next 6 to 18 months, we're going to have a consistent income of $10,000 to $300,000 a month by creating this personal brand and creating content around that. This will allow us to pivot to other affiliate offers, right? And not pigeonhole us into one genre or one niche here on the internet. So we want to brand it around ourselves so we can pivot to other things. This is the overall strategy, is to focus on one thing, focus on Google and YouTube, build long-term traffic sources, and be able to pivot that audience to whatever we want to in the future that allows us to make the most money. And also over time, as our YouTube channel and our blog gets more views and more content, it's going to allow us to sell sponsorships and to create sponsorships type opportunities for ourselves, so that we can have that sponsorship revenue as well coming in, not only selling products and services, but having sponsorships as well. So this is not based on my own known knowledge, but it's based on other people's knowledge and my mentors that are teaching me to do this. And I'm just sharing it with you so that you can do the same thing. So you just copy and paste what I'm doing. That's going to give you the same leverage as that I'm using for my own business to allow me to generate $1 million a year using affiliate marketing, and it's going to allow you to do the same thing. So if you want more information, or you're getting stuck somewhere, reach out to me at gianroberts.com/call. That's going to allow you to set up a call with me, and I'm going to be able to walk you through whatever issues you're having. That's the best way to reach me, is to go to gianroberts.com/call. Also, subscribe and like this video so that it can be shared with more people on the internet. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by, checking out video number 14 in this series. This is a 90-day series, so I hope that you stick with all 90 videos. All right. Talk to you soon.